say welcome back to our channel. Can you say that? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I have got my glamorous assistant, my son Ellis, who is, how old are you, Ellis? Two years old. And we're going to share with you conveniently, two Christmas presents he's received. They were gifted items from the lovely Jaques of London, and I'm just going to give them to him now because obviously I want to show you how amazing these gifts are. It's early Christmas for Ellis, how exciting! As you can see, we are all ready for Christmas. I have bought all of Ellis's gifts now, and these two things I'm going to show you. I'm so excited about them. Jaques of London kindly reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try any of their gifts, and I said yes because their website is amazing. They've got so many lovely gifts on there, loads of toys for children, and they're all wooden, and that makes things so much better. Obviously wooden toys are great. You're gonna open it. Can you get the first one out? What's this one? Oh, we got this one here. Ooh, and then we have one more. What's this? So we have two gifts here. One is in this lovely box, which we will open. Open it. Yeah, and this is this one here, which is in this. Open it. Yeah, I'm gonna. I'll link the Jaques of London website below. You can.
Open it.
If you need any inspiration for Christmas gifts for little ones, yeah, check them out. Wow, look at this. This is a magnetic fishing game. And magnetic wooden fishing game. And look at this! Wowee, Ellis! It's a fishing game. So Jaques of London is one of the oldest toy stores in London, I believe. And they're a family-run business. And like I said, most of the toys on the website are wooden. I think actually all of them are wooden. And the toys are obviously great for fine motor skills and confidence and things like that. And so yeah, so this is a fishing game. I'm going to play it with Ellis, I think, in another room, because I don't think here's a very good idea. But look at it, so you put all the fish in here, and then you get your fishing line, and you do this, Ellis. Ooh. Wowee!
Wowee!
Wowee! What's in our other box? What's this? What a lovely packaging! Yeah, but if you were to buy this as a Christmas gift, you wouldn't even have to wrap it. That's so good. It's lovely, isn't it? I don't want to undo it. I can undo it without having to undo the bow. There you go. Beautiful. Let's play construction bench. Oh. What's this? Hand wrapped by Georgina. That's so cool. They do like each toy's hand wrapped. That's so good. Right, let's see. We've got to order this one. What is that? Oh, a little instruction manual. It's a construction bench, Ellis. What do you do? Oh, so this one comes with a ruler, a hammer, a screwdriver and a spanner. So, oh, and lots of screws. There we go. Right, we're going to move next door where we can see what we're doing, because I've realised everything's down below and you can't actually see these things. But this is the construction bench here. It's got lots of things to take apart. He's off. You're gonna go next door. You're gonna carry. Look, you can carry it. Look. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can undo screws. Put the ruler in here. As you can see, it's great for hand-eye coordination because getting the screwdriver in the, what's it called? The screw. You can get it all sorted.
Oh, out.
Yeah, then you can hammer it back in. You get the hammer and do this. Bash, 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 bash. Yeah. Fun for everyone. We've got the fishing game here. So, there we go. Oh no, don't take that. So look, you do this, Ellis. You get your fishing rod and you put it a little bit on the magnet. And then you pull it out. You caught a starfish!
I got the starfish.
And what's on the other side of the starfish? Number?
Number.
What number's that? Number 3. He does know his numbers, but he's more fascinated by the magnet now. And then you go fishing. Put the starfish in here. And then what other ones can we catch? Oh, what's Mummy going to catch? What's that?
That's yeah.
A shark or a swordfish? What's on the other side of the swordfish? What's this?
Number 7.
Number 7. It looks like a number 7. It's a Z. Z, letter Z. Well, that's fun. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah! What did you catch?
I got that.
What did you get?
I got that.
What is that? What's this?
Number 4 fish.
It's a squid.
Feet.
Squid. Okay, Ellis is down for a nap, and so I thought I'd just quickly do a proper review now without him here, because it's impossible to do with a 2-year-old who won't stop touching things. So quickly though, before I do the actual reviews of the toys, I just want to do a little bit about Jaques of London, because they're just a great company. I just want to share it with you just so you understand how cool they are. So I mentioned earlier, the Jaques of London company is a family-run business. I think it was like a father has passed it down to his children throughout the years, and they are the oldest toy store in the world, or toy manufacturer in the world, which is amazing. And pretty much every toy on their website is wooden, which I love so much. They have loads of toys on their website. I highly recommend you check them out. I will link them down below. Obviously Christmas is not far away now, so if you need some extra toys for your little ones, or you have any small children in your family that you need to buy for, check out Jaques of London. I will leave the link below. Check them out. They're great. So let's do a review of the toys themselves. So the first thing I got is this construction bench. It's so cool. Ellis doesn't have anything like this at all. And first of all, I was a bit confused about what to do with it, because obviously it hasn't got like an obvious purpose, but then that's the whole point of these sorts of toys. They're open-ended toys, which means kids use their imagination. Ellis was playing with this by himself for a little while, and it definitely kept him entertained. Just playing with all the bits, unscrewing things, screwing them back up, using all the tools. Yeah, highly recommend. And then it comes with a little instruction pamphlet, and it just has all the parts there, and basically it just explains what to do with it. Screw things, put it all back together again. You literally unscrew that. You can basically take apart the entire bench and put it back together again, which I think will be great fun. And I feel like it's a toy that will last a long time as well. So it's something that he will be able to play with until he's about maybe even 7, 8. The whole point of like if he can deconstruct the whole thing and then make it all over again, that is pretty nifty. Obviously it will involve lots of thinking skills. He'll need to use mathematical skills to be able to put the bits together, motor skills to be able to unscrew and screw things. This is a toy that is for 3 years upwards. Ellis is 2.5, so that's fine for me anyway. Obviously buy whatever toys you feel are better for your child's age range. He will not be using this by himself. I will always be in the room supervising him. We're gonna have lots of fun with this. And then we've got the fishing game, which is definitely Ellis's favourite at the minute. He actually took because I said they're magnets, he actually took the little fish and tried to put it on the fridge. They're not that type of magnet. So he was very excited at the fact that they're magnets. So with this game, obviously you get all the little wooden fishes, and on the back of each one is a letter, a symbol, or a number, which I think is great. So there's extra learning involved, and you have 4 fishing lines. You get a little instruction manual which has like game 1 and game 2. So one of the game suggestions they have here, which I think is quite clever actually, I hadn't even thought of this myself, is that you fish out a letter, or you fish out a fish even, not a letter. Oh, there we go. And then the person who catches it has to correctly identify the letter or number or symbol on the other side, and if they can't manage it, it goes back in the pool. Obviously that'd be better for children probably of a reception age as opposed to a 2-year-old, so we won't be doing that to Ellis quite yet, because I think that's a bit mean. But it's great for Ellis obviously at the minute to recognise letters and numbers, which is great. The other obvious game, which is probably what we would do at the minute, is just you count down from 3, and then everyone just has to hook as many fish as they can out of the pool, and whoever gets the most wins. It's definitely a more age-appropriate game at the minute. But this game here is great for communication, because obviously it's naming the symbols on the back, and also with Ellis at the minute we would sort of say what colour is the fish, and he can even try and identify some of the animals, so jellyfish, squid, and so yeah, so great for communication in that way. Obviously it's problem solving, because sometimes if you're little, getting hand-eye coordination correct there, so it's problem solving that. See, it's mathematical as well if you have older children, and you can do, if you pull out a 5 and then a division sign and a 10 and then you can do 10 divided by 5, and it's 2 obviously, so it's great for maths in that sense as well. So I'm very glad I chose this toy as well. Ellis loves it. So yes, that is it. That is my review of the Jaques of London toys that I've received. So grateful that they've been in touch and sent me these items. Very, very, very grateful for that. And I will link everything down below. I'll link the construction bench and the fishing toy down below as well if you want to check those out, obviously, as well as the Jaques of London website. And that's everything for this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content that's Christmas themed. And I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.